part 4, road clips. So we're entering the mountains, going to Williams Lake, British Columbia, where my sister Isa and Donald Donald Manyao place is, guys. Okay, the road is steep. That's what the signage is telling us, guys, earlier, as we're going downhill. So there you go. Here's the view, guys. So right now we don't have signal, so I can't do live, guys. I don't know what place is this, but it's still at Caribou Highway. There, guys, Caribou Highway. Yes, guys, you all can see the luxurious abundance of the nature. And let's have a check on our driver, my husband. There you go. See, we're going downhill again, guys. I'm gonna do a 5-minute clips for every town that we're gonna pass by, guys. Okay? It's been an hour already since our first stopover at Powys County. Powys, P-O-U-C-E. I don't know how it's pronounced. So the highway is not divided. It's two-way, right there?
Yeah.
It's just two. So why is there a big wildlife? Asan?
Pinitpitan ito.
Nakita mo? Natumawid? Ano yun?
Parang maliit na deer.
Small deer. Okay. So the truck in front of us hit its horn because there's a wildlife crossing. So I asked my husband because I didn't saw it. So he said it's a small deer. So downhill again, guys. I think there's a small town here because I see a school bus. So what's on the sign? Murray Pine Resources.